Guys, welcome to Nick Fix. Today on this channel, I'm going to teach you how to fix your AC and heat if it stopped working with no problems. So we're going to start the car up. Now, if your climate control stopped working out of nowhere, if it worked and then it didn't work, check the fuse first. On these Cherokees, that fuse dies. I'm going to show you what fuse it is and where it is. I'm going to show you where the blow motor is. I'm going to show you where the resistor is too. So this is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. I'm going to show you everything. So we're going to start her up. Now if this stopped working at all, everything stopped, the heat, the defrost, everything, it's most likely a fuse. I'm going to show you where the fuse is on this vehicle and why it blew. Guys, welcome back. So right here's the fuse box. We take the two clips and go like this, and that's it. Now the fuse is right here. So on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the fuse is right here. This is the fuse for your heat, your AC, your defroster. Now if this fuse goes, you can get this at AutoZone. This is a 40 amp fuse. I picked this up at AutoZone, I replaced it, and I got a brand new. I'm gonna show you the old one right here. See, mine blew. See the burntness? That's why mine stopped. So if this fuse goes, you can pick this up at your local AutoZone. It's a 40 amp fuse. It's in the fuse aisle. You can get it with no problem. And here it is that it's F13. In 1 second. See, F13's right here. My finger is F13. You also got a relay. That's right here. K16. That's a relay. But most of the time, it's this one right here, F13, on this car. So remember, fuse first. Check your fuse first right here. You never know. Check it, pull it out. Mine is not cracked, as you can see. Mine's not cracked on it. So it didn't crack, but it blew out. It blew out. This is the fuse you need for the Grand Cherokee Limited 3.6. Guys, welcome to the channel. So here is your resistor. I'm using the T20 Torx bit on it. As you can see, it's a T20. I'll show you right now. It's T20. T20 Torx bit. That's what I'm using for this. That's what you use for this. This thing got two of them. This is the blow motor resistor right here. That's the resistor. I'm gonna show you it goes in. I get it to go in. As you see, it's in. It's in the slot of the screw. Now, there's also a blow motor right here. This is your blow motor right here, and that's a T22. I'm gonna show you right now what that is. Hold on. And that's a T22. You can take this off with no problem. It's a T20 Torx bit for this. For these screws, and that's your blow motor. And this thing you take off like this. There's a little latch here. You press down on it this way and come pull down, and that comes out. Hope it helps. Check your fuse first before you do all this work, before you change the blow motor and the resistor. And it could be an actuator. Your door actuator could be locked. So there could be a lot of things wrong with this when this thing stops. But most of the time, it's a fuse. And there's a fuse tool in the box to take the fuse out. Or you can get the fuse on Amazon. Hope it helps. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. And thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm going to start the car and show you that it's working, my AC and my thing. So let's start it up. Let's wait for the computer to load on. Should load up right now, and I will show you that the AC is working properly and the heat. All right, we accepted it. Now we're going to turn it on. Going to put it on high. As you can hear, I fixed the problem on my truck. The AC is working again. Everything is working. My heat's working. My defrost is working. AC's on. Everything is working. I'll go underneath and listen to it. You see, she's working. Hope that helped. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you get your AC and your heat working again. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6. The fuse tool is in the box if you need one. They come with them. Hope it helped. Have a great day. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, disconnect your battery when you do this. Every time you do electrical work on your car, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. You do not want to hurt the computers of your car. It's a safety feature for this car, and I always disconnect my batteries when I work electrical on my car. Hope it helped. Have a great one.